Hi friend, I hope you're doing well today. Today's video is an unboxing of a couple of Coach SLGs that I purchased from the outlet. Before I get started, I just have to show you this box. Okay, so here's the box. Okay, I got two little SLGs. These two little SLGs in this big box here. I mean, ridiculous. But I am super excited about both of these for different reasons. So let me get into this one first. And this is the medium corner zip wallet. Now, if you watch my videos, you know that I have at least two videos about the Coach medium corner zip wallet. I love that wallet. Okay, I thought I had it over here with me, but I don't. But I can do a video comparing these two. I don't know if that other one is being phased out and this is the new one, or it's just another version and they're still gonna have the other one. I don't know. But when I saw this one, I was like, it is so cute. I need to pick it up. I already know that I love the style. So let me go and show you what it looks like. So it's nicely packaged in the, what is this stuff called? I don't know what this stuff is called. Okay, here it is. I took most of the packaging off it. So this is in the beautiful blue color with the gold hardware here. And I'm trying to remember if this matches my Rowan. Almost. I pulled it up. So here is my Rowan and here is this one. The blue is almost the same. This one is a little brighter than this one. This is just a little bit deeper. But that doesn't bother me. I don't really care if my wallets and accessories match my purse, so that's not a big deal. But I just really like this color, especially with that gold hardware. So it does have the snap on the front there, and the inside is really the exact same as the other medium corner zip wallet. I mean, it's the same. The other one that I have is in the Coach signature canvas, I think is what it is. I believe this is Saffiano leather, and the inside is also Saffiano leather. My other one is glove tan leather on the inside. So of course it does have, let's see, about 7 card slots, and then your ID slot there, a little compartment here, a little compartment here, and then of course your back area for the bills. And it's called the medium corner zip because it corner zips like that, and then it is one compartment there. So again, if you want to see a little comparison of the two, I'm not positive that they're the exact same size. I think they are, but I can definitely do that for you. So I was excited about that one because it's so similar to the other medium corner zip, which I love, but I'm excited about this one because it looks almost like a dupe of something else. So let me get it unwrapped for you. The name of this one is the 3-in-1 Wallet Checker Print, and it's the True Blue Multicolor. The checker print might give you a little clue. Y'all, does this remind you of anything? Louis Vuitton, hint, hint. I mean, come on, Coach. It looks just like Louis Vuitton's Damier Bean print. Right? Now they don't have this color, I don't think. They have the graphite color, and then of course the brown, and then which is the regular, and then the Damier Azur print, but not this color. But come on, that looks exactly like a Louis Vuitton. Look at that. And even more so on the inside. Let me show you the inside. So you have your card slots here, and then of course it says, you can see here COACH going down like that. And it is here too. It's not as noticeable on the front there. But that opens, so your ID goes here. More card slots over here. You have a pocket there. And then I guess, yeah, this comes out. Hey, that comes out. Look at that. A separate little wallet. So with this out, you have the pocket here and then the pocket here. The outside does have the bill compartment there that is divided, which I think is really nice when they divide it like that. And then your little ID wallet. So your ID can go here, and then it looks like 2 or 3 more cards, at least 2 more there, 2 more slots. And then you can also put something under there, right there. So this actually, for a small wallet like this, has a lot of room. 10 slots that I'm sure that you could double up on. I could probably fit all of my cards in here. I rarely carry any change anymore, So I really don't even need room for my change anymore, you know, which is just so weird, isn't it? I might just carry this for myself. My husband actually doesn't carry a wallet. He doesn't like to have wallets in his pants. It's uncomfortable for him. I might just keep this for myself. I like it. So what do you think? Do you think that Coach was trying to dupe Louis Vuitton? I mean, it's kind of like, hello, right? I mean, it is, period. It is a dupe of their Damier Bean or Graphite or Azure. It looks just like it. I'm not mad at it. I mean, it has Coach on it here. I believe Coach is on the back too. Yeah, it kind of starts right here. So I guess that's one, yeah, that's like one continuous piece of material right there. I don't really like how it's buckling right there, but that may be just how men's wallets do. I don't know. I don't really have much experience with them, but anyway, what do you think? Cute, right? And then this one, the newer version, I suppose, of the medium corner zip. I think it's super cute. I can't wait to use it, and I definitely will. Like I said, this is like my absolute favorite wallet. The other one that I have is, yeah, pretty much my best wallet that I have because it's so easy. Super easy. So I don't have much for you today. That's it. We just got our power back here in Texas, or we did. Ours was out for about 48 hours. Fortunately, we had water through that time, which I'm so grateful that at least we had water. We were able to go to the bathroom and wash our hands and things like that. At least we had water. But not having power is so hard, especially when your entire house is electric. So we couldn't cook anything. We had to sit some of our food, like from the fridge, outside so that it wouldn't go bad. It was a tough time, and I know some Texans are still having a really hard time with it. Today is Friday when I'm recording this. I don't know the exact date, but I know that some people still don't have power, and my daughter actually doesn't have water today. It just went out yesterday, which is random because things were getting better. I don't know if that means it froze. I don't even know. Things aren't back to normal, but we're getting better. So I don't have a super long video for you today, but I did want to put some makeup on. I haven't put on makeup in probably like a week and a half, or really even gotten dressed. So I think I just really need to do it for my own sake. But I'm gonna let you go. If you're wondering about my hair, this is Raquel Welch Watch Me Wow, and it is in the color SS 930, which is shaded cocoa. So super pretty. I really, really like the highlights in it. And it's actually very similar to another color by John Renault. I found a color in John Renault that this matches. So I think I'm going to do a video about that, so hang tight. But thank you so much. I know many of you have wished me well, and I really appreciate it. It does make my heart feel good that I have people out there that are wondering about me and praying for me. So thank you so much for that. But I hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.